Task number 7, operators, is part of the SQL Fundamentals room in Cybersecurity 101 module on TryHackMe. When working with SQL and dealing with logic and comparisons, operators are our way to filter and manipulate data effectively. Understanding these operators will help us to create more precise and powerful queries. In the next 2 tasks, we will be using the books table that is part of the TryHackMe books too, so we change the database. We don't use TryHackMe books. We use TryHackMe books 2. Logical operators. These operators test the truth of a condition and return a Boolean value, true or false. Like operator. The like operator is commonly used in conjunction with the clause where, in order to filter for specific patterns within a column. Select everything from books where description is like guide, and as we seen in the previous task, this percent signs to beginning and the end give me everything that contains guide, regardless of with what starts and with what ends. I just care for the guide keyword. And in description. So we find guide, right? It gave us 4 results. For instance, let's do the same query. Select all from books where a description like single quotes and then guide. Percent sign single quotes and boom, there you go. We have 4 exact same result. The query above returns a list of results from the books filtered, but the ones using the where clause that contains the word guide by using the like operator. And operator uses multiple conditions within the query and returns true if all of them are true. Select everything from books where category equals offensive security and the name is bug bounty. You can see over here bug bounty for the name, and in the description we see the guide of finding reporting vulnerabilities, offensive security. Here is search by category, like we can see over here, offensive security. Let's go up 1 time, and here let's leave the where, because we'll use, actually, you know what, select all from books where description equals, we'll leave guide and name equals, let's see, so it will hit all 4 results. But if we say bounty and name, we'll say everything with bounty, and then like that, where description like guide and name like bounty. There we have it. So doesn't care about the double quotes. If we go back here and we'll say, let's copy this and then here let's delete it and put that, and for the name we'll say bug bounty bootcamp. There you go. We have the same result. The query above returns the book with the name bug bounty bootcamp, which is under the category offensive security. Or operator. The or operator combines multiple conditions within queries and returns true if at least one of these conditions is met. Okay, let's just go back here. Actually, not there. Let's say here. This is perfect. Now, if we select this one again, we go over here and instead of and, we place or. And instead of name, we use, now we know that for Bug Bounty Bootcamp, we have this description. Let's choose for this description, let's go with designing secure software for name. What do you think we'll get now? What do you think we'll get now? Both. Because the OR operator returns true if at least one of this is true, but is true if we check the query, right? Give me everything from books where the description is like this, which is true. We have one entry, or give me the name this. So we have two entries. Both of them are true. If, for instance, we say here gibberish, it will give us only one because only one is true, right? The one with the description, but this name is not in the database. Not operator. The not operator reverses the value of a Boolean operator, allows us to exclude a specific condition. So if we go like this, actually, let's hit it. We have 4 examples, right? Now, if we go back again, and here in front of, like we say, not, like in here, and now if we go here where not description, what do you think we get now? It's one entry because the query is like this. Select everything from books where in the description we don't have guide as a keyword. And this is the single entry that doesn't contain in the description the guide. The query above returns results where the description does not contain the word guide. Between operator. The between operator allows us to test if a value exists within a defined range. Select everything from books where ID between 2 and 4. Where ID between 2 and 4. 2, 3, 4. Simple. The query above returns books where ID is between 2 and 4. Comparison operators equal to operator. The equal operator compares two expressions and determines if they are equal, or it can check if a value matches another one in a specific column. Right, so select everything from books where name equals this. We've seen the equal operator, but let's go over here and say where name equals, and then let's say car, hackers, handbook. Okay, so the thing is, if you go back here, we have single quotes here and single quotes here. The name actually thinks that here is the end of our query. Now, if we escape it, let's see if we can escape it like this. Yes, actually we can. Or you can use the double quotes. Same result. This is the equal operator. Not equal operator, like in code in Python, compares expressions and tests if they are not equal. It also checks if a value differs from the one within a column. Is not, right? Category. So same query. Ooh, I did not. Ooh, I have this much coffee left. Ooh. I almost spilled everywhere. Okay, so if we use the same query from books where name is not, we get everything else besides this. Less than operator compares if expressions with a given value is lesser than the provided one. Here we see with the date, because it makes sense to check with the date. Where published date is lesser than 2020 January 1st of January. Two entries, same results like in TryHackMe. Greater than basically is the opposite. Greater than that date. The rest of three, same as here. Less than or equal to and greater than or equal to operators. Here we can see less than or equal to. Compares if expression within a given value is less than or equal to a provided one. On the other hand, the greater than equal operator compares if the expression with a given value is greater than or equal to the provided one. Let's observe some examples. So basically it's like with lesser than, but also accepts the date to be the exact date. It's less than or exact with this one. And here is greater than or exact with this one. As you can see it, the entry over here. Answer the questions below. So use tools _db. All right, using the tools DB, which tool falls under the multi-tool category and is useful for pen testers and geeks. Let's take the query with the AND operator. Actually, we can use this and place here AND. What they say? They say that the category is useful for, actually I will use the percentages, geeks, and percentages for pen testers, and again category it should be like this, but here it's hacking tools. Selector from hacking tools falls under the multi-tool category. Yeah, this will yeah. Okay, so let's go then like this. Select everything from multi-tool. Let's delete that. Let's see what we have here. Okay. Now, pen testers and geeks. And this is just not the correct query. I just wanted to see what entries are there. And is useful for. So, where category multi-tool and description like pen testers and description like geeks. Select all from hacking-ware. Okay, cool. There you have it. So this would be the query that the category is multi-tool and is useful for pen testers and geeks. So we select everything from the hacking tools table where the category is multi-tool, and in the description we have the match of pen testers and in the description the match of geeks. And let's see, what do we need? The flipper 0, the name. Using the same DB, what is the category of tools with an amount greater than or equal with 300? That should be pretty easy. So let's go. There we have it. Now select from hacking where category of tools. Equals multi-tools, multi-tool. Of tools with an amount and amount and amount greater than or equal with 300. 300. Yeah, something went wrong with the query. Let's see. Actually, we don't need and, it's where. Select all from hacking tools where category equals multi-tool and amount greater than or equal with. It's empty set. So, okay. So the thing is like this. We need select category from hacking where amount like this. Yes, RFID cloning. From the same database, which tool falls under the network intelligence category with an amount less than? Which tool falls under the select name from hacking tools where category equals network intelligence and let's see, amount is less than 100. LAN turtle.